playing Wall Street, but I'm with my friend. What's up? This is the other friend that was supposed to be in my video, but couldn't. Let's play. Let's play easy first. Oh, one thing first. Okay, well, you want to play hard, dude? Okay, let's go on medium. Go, medium, yo! Medium. Medium! Okay, medium. Y'all coming? Okay, so we're all the game. Let's go. Who's ready? Round one. Okay, go. Well, that was an epic fail. Yo, hey, my friends here. Let's go. Let's go in the easy one. Yeah, easy. That was such an epic fail. My friend better survive. Why in the world? so close. I survived. And my friend's here. Let's go. Let's go to the medium one then. Oh my god, the water was just behind me. How did I even survive? Start the game already? There's nobody here. One player left. Alright, come in. Come down. I think if you don't come down, it doesn't work. Oh, the game has ended. Okay, now we can start. Okay, we're full. Sorry, guys. Should have came before. The round is beginning. Oh no, he didn't. He died too. Okay, let's go. Next match. Let's go on the medium again. We haven't beaten it. And this time, the girls that want to be with us, but actually are back. Deadpool, come in. We need your sacrifices. Oh, okay. Here to go. Somebody press that button. Okay. Nobody wants to. Oh my god, because nobody wanted to press that button, we all died. Only 4 or 6 players left. Okay guys. survive this. Where's Deadpool at? Deadpool, get over here. We need you. And the two girls just decide to not. Okay, they find us trapped. Everybody press the button. Not this one. Not this one. What is this? How in the whole macaroni and cheese are we going to survive Deadpool. Why is he standing so? Why am I? Why can't I? Why is my game glitching? Okay, I'm not gonna go in the middle. You can see what's happening. Oh, guys, medium. Okay, only 3 people. Deadpool just no, Deadpool. I can actually see those people. Wait. There's like a weird cave there. Weird. Yeah, my goal is to beat the medium and the party one. To. Survive at the end, have like a lot of brain cells that are together so we can find a way out. What is these people? No, Deadpool, no! Did you know? No, I missed it. part 2 in this vid because oh my god, I suck. Let's just go on the bro. Let's just go on the easy. Let's go on the easy one. I'll beat it again and then do a part 2 again. Yeah. I'm gonna do a part 2 of trying to beat the medium. Let's do this RFE45 TDV. Why are we gonna start? Oh yeah, there's still people. Okay, that was pathetic. No offense. She was this close to winning and die at the end like that. I think she left. Actually, all the people that was playing this game left. Except 2 girls. I think the facility. Oh yeah, he did. Okay, get up here. Let's go. I did it. No, we did. Without my friend there, I would have died. No, get out. No. Why isn't he leaving? So yeah, guys, if you love this video, leave a like, subscribe. If you like the addition of my friend, and tell in the comments, tell if he's a good friend or not. So yeah, if you love this video, leave a like and subscribe, and bye. Say bye or something. Okay, probably the video isn't finished yet. Okay, bye.